Welcome everyone, this is Mr. Prem. In this video, I'm going to tell you from where you can download Apache POI since the place from where you are going to download is changed now. Okay, so new place is there for downloading Apache POI. So let's see it. Okay, here you need to search Apache POI download. And it will give you the link of Apache POI official website, the very first link. I just clicked and open in the new tab. Here you need to go at the bottom of the page and you will find binary artifacts. And the latest version will be at the bottom here. So you need to go at the bottom of the page. And if you're working on Windows system, then .zip file will be okay for you. Okay. And this was updated on 16th of September 2022. So you need to click on .zip file if you're working on Windows. And if you're working on Linux and Mac, then you need to click on the .tgz file. Okay, I'm working on Windows systems, so then I will click on the .zip file. And if you click, then downloading will start. You can see it has started downloading. It will take some time. After downloading, I need to move to the downloads folder. I will click on this and I will go to the downloads folder. Here in this folder, it has got downloaded. Okay, now I need to unzip this file. So here I will do extract files. Click on OK. Now go to inside this folder. Again, go to the inside folder. These are the libraries which I need to attach to my project. Okay, how to do, I will show you right now only. So let's make a new project, new Java project, demo POI. I will choose JRE as 1.8 here and click on finish. So my project is ready, you can see. Now I will configure this project for Apache POI. So I will go inside properties and go to the Java build path. Where is Java build path? Here. Click on the libraries and then add external jar. Where is my jar? Inside downloads. You can see inside downloads at the top Apache POI. Inside this you will find, see, these are libraries. We need to select them and click on open. So this jar came here. Again you need to click on add external jar and go inside XML lib. Select all these jars. Again click on add external jars. You need to go one step back. Okay, one step back and go inside lib. Here you will find some libraries. You need to select them and click on open. So these much jar you need for configuring your project for Apache POI. So your project is now configured for Apache POI. You can see there is a reference libraries. Okay, everyone. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.